Well, welcome back to Bear's Rod Shop. We're going to get back on the CJ a little bit this morning, and feeling much better from the flu. And I've got the left axle chucked up, and I don't have a center rest that worked with this. So I'm going to be only turning probably around 300, 400 RPM. But you can see I have some pitting there. We'll get rid of course, all of that pitting this morning. And this is a little small South Bend 9. It's nice to have a lathe, but let's power up and put some emery cloth to this thing and see if we cannot take this blemish out. All right, we're going to be starting off. I'm going to use some 220 at first. Let's get a little more power. You guys that don't have a lathe, it sure makes it a lot easier if you would just probably go down to, if they're as rough as this one, down to your local machine shop and have him do it, or they do it. And yeah, she's coming out a lot better. Normally I would not work with something in front of this lathe like the axle, but it takes so much time to move it, and yeah, she's cleaning up. We'll go in here now with some 340. Well, it's actually 320. The other axle on the right, very, very little cleanup. And of course, we have Metal Shaper and Brian with bigger, nicer lathes. We really would love to have a bigger lathe, at least a 13 to maybe an 18-inch swing. All right, she's probably gonna I'll have to come in here and take off about probably 3 thousandths. I still don't like where this is going to be running on the seal. So just for today's video, showing that we are getting back to the CJ5 and got the rear end ready to put back together, etc. Hope you can see us all right. But you guys come back, visit, please thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. And for those that hadn't seen our little lathe, that's my old 440 HP. So it came off my 69 Charger. Of course, we don't have it anymore, unfortunately. And then the little South Bend lathe. Well, I hope you like this video. It's short and brief, but we are progressing. So please come back and visit. And you can see we've got a lot of cleanup. So we're going to have to cut this down. And before I do it, I'm going to have this axle out of the way. Please, again, thumbs up. Yeah, thumbs up. There we go. And subscribe. Come back and visit us. Thank you.